reducer fan motor kicks in, sends a pressure signal that we're able to exhaust the flue out of the furnace. Once that signal is all connects through all the faults, we're going to start to open up a gas cock valve automatically. What that gas cock is going to do is allow gas to flow into your burners. Once we see that the burners are full of gas, a spark igniter sparks that flame, that gas flow, turns it into a flame. And this is a 90% furnace. This is your exhaust pipe out of your house. And this is your fresh air. And you have to have louver doors in these type of situations. But this is what a gas furnace looks like when you fire it up.